Hello and welcome to Medical Mantra's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the Kazan State Medical University, Russia. But before we proceed, subscribe to our channel if you already haven't and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video. Based primarily in Kazan, Russia, the Kazan State Medical University, also known as the KSMU, is a federal university made up of 9 faculties. The university got the license on the 6th of March 1994 by the State Committee of the Russian Federation of Higher Education, which grants the right to perform activities in the field of professional education. The university is a multifunctional and multi-leveled state institution of higher learning in medicine. It meets both personal and social needs in acquiring education in medicine, in developing biomedical and clinical sciences, as well as broadening scientific knowledge of medical sciences. According to the academic ranking of world universities, European Standard ARIES 2014, published by the European Scientific Industrial Chamber, KSMU was the 3rd place among the medical universities in Russia. The Kazan State Medical University is located in the central part of Kazan. The KSMU main campus is on the Butlerov Street, although there are other KSMU buildings throughout Kazan. The main campus includes main libraries, the museum, the departments of foreign languages, history, philosophy, political science and sociology, medical biology and genetics, public health and organization of healthcare, economic theory and social work, general and organic chemistry, microbiology, pathological physiology. A further set of buildings based around the Universitetskaya Street includes the departments of physiology, histology and anatomy. From the Kazan airport, it takes 60 to 90 minutes to reach the university. The courses offered in the KSMU are pharmacy, dentistry, general medicine, and a postgraduate program. For the Russian students, the language of instruction is Russian, but foreign students can choose between Russian and English medium. For the English medium students, along with other subjects, Russian language is also taught as an independent subject for 4 years in order to communicate with patients as well as the locals. To admit yourself in the KSMU, there is an eligibility criteria. Successful completion of higher secondary school, completion of tertiary education in case applying for a postgraduate education program, a minimum of 60% marks in chemistry, biology and English is required to get into the Kazan State Medical University. Candidates who have qualified the NEET exam and have the required NEET score are eligible to apply to the Kazan State Medical University. The candidate must be at least 17 years old. Now let's talk about residency. International students can live in the students' dormitory or have an apartment or a room arranged for them by the university. The university hostel is mandatory for the first year, but the living conditions are rather Spartan. 2 to 3 people in a room, 8 rooms on each floor, 1 kitchen, 2 toilets, shower in the basement. The number of rooms are limited and therefore early applications are given priority. Irrespective, there are 8 hostels in total situated around the university, known for their strict rules and police guarding them at all times. Girls and boys hostels are separate. Now let's talk about how to secure your admission there. Here's a short step-by-step preliminary guide to get your admission into the Kazan State Medical University. The students must submit a completed application form as well as any other required documentation. The documents can be sent via email. The students must then pay the university and wait for the invitation letter to arrive. Once the institution sends you an invitation letter, you can go to the Russian embassy and proceed further. Furthermore, students should inform the university of their expected arrival date so that the airport pickup and drop facilities can be organized by the university. Now that we've reached the end of the video, it's time to talk commercials. Kazan State Medical University is one of the best universities in Russia for MBBS. This is also one of the most sought after universities amongst Indian students for the quality medical education this university offers at a very competitive pricing. The total fees to complete MBBS in KSMU stands at around Rs 26 to 27 lakhs, which includes tuition fees, hostel, mess, insurance and visa. If you are considering MBBS options abroad, KSMU should be one of your top priorities in Russia. The FMGE passing percentage is also quite high for this university compared to other universities in Russia or elsewhere. FMGE is the mandatory MCI screening exam which foreign medical graduates need to take to be eligible to practice in India. That was all you need to know about the Kazan State Medical University in Russia. Please contact us if you wish to avail a free counseling session with our expert counselors or log on to our site www.medicalmantra.co.in. It has a very easy to understand user interface and you can get in touch with us at the given coordinates. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow medical aspirants and subscribe to Medical Mantra for more such videos about options to pursue MBBS abroad. Thank you, or as they say it in Russian, Spasiba.